Hi, today in this video we show you a very simple and easy make for Valentine's Day or love occasions. It's a peg, a wooden peg with two paper arts made at quilling. The quilling technique is quite easy and I think that they are so nice. So let's get started to create these super cute paper hearts. Okay, you will need two paper strips. And my strips are long 50 centimeters, but you can use a smaller strip or a longer one. Okay, we will need to roll our paper strip. If you have a quilling tool, it's quite easy. You will need to do in this way. If you don't have, you can roll your strip with a toothpick. So in order to start to roll, and then you can sorry, it's better to start with the tight roll. Okay, and then you can go on till the end, and this way your paper art doesn't be to be perfect. Okay, we will roll. It's the same process. Okay, now we can go on by hand. Okay, don't worry if the strips and your coil is not perfect, because at the end, before gluing together, we will need to do in this way. Okay, voila. Okay, now we will use some glue. I will use the white one, the vinyl glue, and then, or by hand. Okay, now leave it to dry and then roll the other one. Okay, okay, we can go on by hand in this way. Okay, we are at the end. Okay, we will do in this way before gluing our final part. Okay, press down the paper and leave it to dry. Okay, now we will need to create our paper art, and we will do in this way. We will need to press in this way, and we will create a sort of a paper drop, and then with your toothpick you will need to press down, and then with your finger you will have to press up. Okay, and here your paper heart, that then you can give it a shape, give the shape of the heart with your fingers. Quite nice and easy to make. Voila. Now we will do the same process for the other one. a little glue around. This is the vinyl glue that dries. Okay, so a sort of drop. Okay, and then voila, here your paper heart. Okay, voila. Okay, now you will need your peg, and then you can glue them here, or what you prefer. Here, I prefer here. It's more easy to use your peg. Okay, with some glue we put together on the back some glue, and then press down your paper heart. Repeat the operation with the second one. Voila. And I think they are quite easy and funny to make. They are so sweet. And you can use for them this paper heart with a peg. You can use it to close your a gift, or as a gift as well, or for a home decor. I will show you only another paper heart that I glittered using some nail polish, and I think they are quite nice also in this way. You can glitter them with nail polish, or glitter glue, or anything else. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like my video, and see you next time for another paper creations. Bye bye.